What's up people, my name is Jude Design. Today I'll be teaching you how to do this amazing design on Adobe Photoshop. Every images that was used on this project were downloaded on Pinterest. So come on, let's go. So this is our Canva, and I'll just go to my text and type in C. You can use whichever font you want, but for me I'm using this font. Now what I'll do next is just scale it and we should be good to go. Good. So I'll Ctrl J to duplicate, and now my duplicated one I will just Ctrl G to group it. Good. So what I'll do next is to hold down my Alt on my keyboard and the forward icon to create a lot of copy. So I'm creating 30 something copies also on your keyboard. Good. Yeah, I think this is perfect. If it's not working for you, try hold down Alt Shift and that forward icon on keyboard. So what I will do next is to bring in my lion, the image I will be using, this one. Perfect. So I'll reduce the opacity and I will try to scale it to how I need it. Let me scale this one. I'll rotate this one a bit, no, this side. Good. Perfect. Okay. So I will increase the opacity back. Good. So what I will do next is Ctrl J to duplicate. Okay, let me turn this one off first, and I'll right click and create a clipping mask. So my next step is also to turn the text on. Turn this one on. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, turn this one on, turn this one on, and I would do the same thing. Well, let me first of all duplicate. Ctrl J to duplicate, turn the duplicated one off, and I'll right click and create a clipping mask. Perfect. So what I will do next is come to the first one, this one, the first image, and I would go to this icon here and I will go to exposure. Good. So you can play around with it. So I'll reduce the exposure, just play around with it to get your perfect 3D that you want. Let me click mark here so it can only be on the C instead of changing the whole canvas color. Just play around with it and see. You can also copy or delete all the numbers that I did if you want. That's perfect for me. Good. I'll return this one back. So what I will do next is to come to this one and I would remove the background. First of all, I'll go to quick selection to make sure this one is on cloud, and I'll click select subject, wait for it to load, it will select, and I'll click the layer mask. Good. So what I will do next is to go to my brush tool, make sure you are on the layer, and I will just, the flow and the opacity is 100, and I will just brush out every part I don't need. While you are brushing, make sure your color is on black so it will brush properly. I'll just brush out the part I don't need, and be very careful, don't increase the brush size too much. I'll brush out this leg and voila. That will be the end of our design. Till next time, my name is Jude Design, and bye Gary. If you have any other questions, you can drop it on the comments below. I'll see you next time. Peace out.